Nelson Chamisa has often found himself at the receiving end of harsh criticism and personal attacks as he challenges the presidency of Emerson Mnangagwa. Chamisa turns not to anger or spite, but to something more profound: his faith. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you because of me, he quotes from Matthew 5:11. In a world where responses are often measured in retweets and sound bites, Chamisa chooses a biblical response, highlighting a path of resilience and peace. It's a reminder to all of us, isn't it? Whether in Zimbabwe or anywhere else, the challenges we face can sometimes be overwhelming. But here's the takeaway. When insults fly and the heat rises, remember there's a different way to stand your ground. Chamisa's example teaches us about endurance, not just enduring quietly, but enduring with a heart full of peace and a spirit that inspires. So, next time you find yourself in the middle of a storm, think of Chamisa. Think of his choice to embrace biblical teachings, turning potential bitterness into a moment of blessing. It's about transformation of the heart and of the situation. And remember, no matter where you are, blessed are you. These words aren't just ancient text, they're a living, breathing promise for those who choose the higher path.